We are making creamy chicken mushroom in a casserole dish. Add oil and spread it with a brush. Next, add mushrooms, chicken broth, white wine, garlic, and spices. Give it a good mix. Add chicken thighs and drizzle some oil over the top. Then sprinkle salt and pepper over the top. Repeat on the other side. Bake for about 35 to 45 minutes. After it's done baking, remove the chicken and mushroom out of the casserole and pour the juices into the skillet. Pour in heavy whipping cream and bring it to a gentle boil. Now in the mixing bowl, combine a little bit of cold water and cornstarch. Give it a good mix and add it to the sauce. Bring it to a boil and voila. Slice the chicken thighs and add it back to the mushrooms. Pour the sauce over the top. Add some parsley if you like, and voila, the dish is ready. I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. See you next time. Bye.